Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I've got Chevrolet Orlando 2011 model, and I'm going to upgrade from original CD to Android 8.1 GPS. Well, I'm going to quick unboxing and check the contents inside. It's very small, but it is 7 inches and it has been improved. I mean, from the original Chinese model we have before. Inside here we've got the GPS antennas and all our cable, and also we've got the the GPS itself. Comes with these two metal pieces. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it at the moment. Right, so this is the stereo. It hasn't got any, it doesn't have any CD. So the reason I'm tapping them together, the yellow one which is for USB, but it comes with some and USB the other one is 12 volt. You can fit them under the car yourself. I haven't got the original harness and I need to connect it into the secret lighter for my car. It costs about 113 pounds. This is the original from Germany radio. You can see from there for Chevrolet. One of the and I'm going to remove this item. The first things to do is to remove the trim around, which is very easy. A bit of wiring. You can see that this is the new original harness stereo, so I'm going to install from there, connect extra wires. But as I said, that you need the battery from eBay as well. It costs about 113 pounds, the cheapest one. And then I'm going to tap into the original harness. Should be very easy and should take you about to see if I'll be able to connect these 5 seconds. So this is the easiest way. If you put your plastic around here, but you should be very careful. Then you can watch this video from the beginning, and then just pull it out. These two wires, one it should come out easily. Red, we need to connect them together. Now you need this number 9/35, I think, to remove the 2 bolts underneath here for both sides, left and right. After that, you need just to pull it out, and you should be very careful because there's some wires there and clip. We need to unclip them before you just pull it out. I'll show you. There are about 3 connections. The blue one, which was the USB, and the other one is just to connect iPad, and this is the power, which we will need this when we install our new stereo on it. So that's the first one, and this is the second one, which is the USB connection. As you can see from there, it comes out easily. And then the last one, it is I think it is an iPod or iPad, something to connect there, which I've never used it. So this one also needs to come out before you can remove the stereo. Now this is the original one. We need to remove those windows here to put them into our new trim, as it doesn't come with those 2 trims. So removing them, you need to unscrew this bolt here with torque, something like that it is called, I'm not sure. And then just to unclip on the side, and also they should come out very easy. It should take you no more than 1 minute for both of those windows. Well, I'm going to put them into my new trim here. This fascia came with this, which I believe this radio has to go inside, and then this box will go inside here. Now I have this small paper which I've written what these wires are, so I know now that which one is for the speaker, I mean which one is for left, which one is for right, which one is for front. So all these wires, I know what to do with them. Black, I mean the red, this is what I'm gonna do here. I'm going to connect my ground from here, but I'm not going to connect my 12 volt onto the same connection. I will be using the secret lighter underneath here, because the one on top, it is 12 volt constant anytime it is on. But the secret lighter, I mean when it is switched off, the radio also is gonna, it's gonna go off. Well, so everything is connected now. I'm gonna run a quick test. There we are. We can see that everything is okay, and you can hear the sound. So you can hear the sound. Right, since I confirmed that everything is working, now I'm pretending that I'm opening the door. You can see that the radio also go off. It's time now to put everything together. We need this. It's very important because our new trim comes with something to connect there where we can control the radio. You can see I have left my CDs underneath because I don't have CD with this new stereo, so I've used the same connection, same speakers, just for both radios. So I have two FM radio, but if I need to use one, I just need to mute the old one and I can use the new one. Now this is everything, as before. We're gonna put it back, and then there we are. So I will run again a quick test to be sure, and then I will do a quick review video after this one. So you can see now we've put everything back, and we have got our Android powered on, and as you can see, these buttons, just like the tablet, the touching is very quick and very responsive. Music, Navi. So this Navi, at the moment, I have got only Google Map, which you can install any map, or any offline map. Here it is where there is video. I haven't got any video at the moment because I haven't recorded anything, but you can record your own video. You can connect a camera and record your own video. This is car setting. I haven't connected this because if you watch my previous video, you can see that I just did not professional work, and I'm expecting to get to the harness to connect it. So even if you click here, there's nothing on it at the moment. Right, Alvin also haven't connected this. It's just something to deal with the ISO, which I haven't got. And we've got a calculator, just like Android. Calendars, date, I haven't set actual date, but it's already on the 2nd, while today it is 1st of April. And setting. So setting is just the sound setting. Car setting, can click here, set in car. So no region vehicle setting functions because there's nothing. This is the GPS detection. You can see that our GPS, which is on board, there's a good signal at the moment here, so we are okay. This is factory setting and system information and sound setting. Right here, like classic, jazz, pop, anything you want you can do, or if you want to do custom, which which you can, whatever you want to do. Okay, at the moment let's go back to default. going back now.
Turn left onto Crescent Road.
So guys, that's it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.